If you are looking for something easy, something you could just throw on in one two step, you need to stay tuned because I got this for you. Look, I did a whole hair whip for y'all too. Be thankful. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry this is a rough way to start a video, bald headed and stuff like that. I do got some hair, a little bit of inches underneath. But yeah, I'm not really good at, explaining how to do everything. So I'm gonna do the best that I can. Let's start off with this wig that I just had. I've had this wig for like going on 5 years now. Fun fact. And it's a little stiff, it's a little suspicious, but we making it work today. We are not throwing away our wigs in 2023. We are going to reuse those bad boys. I don't care what year it's going to be. We are just going to keep reusing them until you can't wear them no more. But yeah, I'm just showing y'all a quick way to, install your wig under like 10 minutes. Like it takes me like 10 minutes to do this. Like, come on. 10 minutes. I know y'all got 10 minutes. 10 minutes? Sorry, I was getting a little distracted. Hopefully y'all kind of like paying attention to like what I'm actually doing because I'm clearly not explaining the steps, but you can kind of see, I'm just, using a little bit of alcohol, rubbing alcohol, put it on my forehead. Yes, that's like 91% rubbing alcohol, so that thing kind of burnt, but it did the job. And this glue, I believe, is Bold Hold Active. Yes, I said active, not Ghost Bond. This is active. I'm being real active in this wig. So I'm gonna need this wig to stay on my head, stay on tight. You feel me? We ain't about to have our wig slip off our forehead, so we just gonna go ahead and put some layers, some real good layers on our head. You know, first it's gonna be the first round. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry, I was watching TV. I think I was watching a YouTube video that had to be what I was doing. But let me tell you, we need to put some layers on. We are not having our wig just fly off. I'm sorry, I'll be checking my phone. Oh my goodness, and now my phone going off here while I was checking my phone on here. And here it go again. See, this is the stuff that be triggering me, but we're just gonna go ahead and move on. Personally, in my opinion, I've learned to be grateful for this technique, because sometimes we do not have all day to be doing our lace frontal, to be doing box braids, be doing crochet, doing this and that. I like something quick, easy, and something realistic. You know what I'm saying? Like, I know everybody likes that, sleek hair look, flat iron, baby hairs. I like that too, but I also like when people truly believe this is my hair and like nobody's hair is really just laid, like laid. You have to do a bunch of stuff to it, but when you do a bunch of stuff to it, it starts looking fake. Actually, no, it'll look good, but you get what I'm saying. Like I want that looks like it's coming out my scalp, that frizzy look to make it look like it's actually my real hair. This is the look I love. So when you see this look, it's me. That's me. I own that. That's me. That's me. Trick people into thinking it's your real hair, girl. Go ahead, do what you gotta do. Period. Pop, 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 pop. Period. Oh yeah, I'm forgetting to, update y'all and tell y'all kind of what I'm doing. But right now I'm just pressing the wig, the lace into the glue. This is after a couple of rounds of putting, layers of the glue onto my edges. Not on my edges, but on my skin. We ain't putting no glue on our edges. Don't do that. Don't listen to me. Don't do that. Just watch the video. Just watch it and enjoy. But yeah, I like to put the glue, like the lace, into the glue, make sure it's all in. And then I like to use a comb, you know what I'm saying, to get all up in there. I gotta take these little clips out, but I like to get a comb and like pull the hair through, pull some of the baby hairs out. I'm not making baby hairs, but I'm just trying to push it in, like, push it in as much as I can to get it to really set in, get up in there. You get what I'm saying? If you don't get what I'm saying yet, then we got a problem. We got a problem. We got a problem, shawty. We got a problem. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. But like I said, this look is more for like people who are on that natural look. You don't want to do too much. You don't want to do that baby hair. You don't got time for all that. It's not so much you don't want to do it. You just don't got the time. You just need something on your head, something that looks decent, something that looks realistic, and then keep it moving. Yes, this is gonna be it. And at the end, it may not look as realistic as you want it, but if you put a head wrap on, like a little silk wrap, on your edges and go to sleep like I did. I'm saying exactly what I did. But if you put like a little head wrap on and you let the lace melt later on when you wake up, take that thing off, it is all melted. Right now it don't look like it's really melted, but later on it just looks like it's like just coming out your scalp. Natural baby hair is just like it's not like swoopty swooped, but you know what I mean. It does what it need to do. But yeah, that's how you get your hair to look real realistic. I'm sorry I didn't explain the exact steps, but you guys got the point. I don't feel like I need to explain it. I feel like you see it. Do what you gotta do. But yeah. If you guys like videos like this, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let me tell you right now, baby girl. If you want something natural, you're gonna have to do this. This is gonna be quick. This is gonna save you time, and this is gonna have you looking good and decent and appropriate and out the door. People gonna believe it's your hair. See? Don't tell me that's not my hair. Don't tell me. That's natural. That's my natural hair right there, baby girl. But I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.